Relational operators in Java. Here in this demonstration we will be discussing on relational operators available in Java. We have defined one variable of the type boolean. The name of the variable is result, and the first relational operator we are using, that is equal to. So 10 equal to 10, it is a condition, so it will return either true or false depending upon the condition is true or the condition is false. So true when left operand is exactly equal to the right operand. So that will be assigned to the result. The value of the result will be printed. So we can see that the result is true here. Next time we have gone for 5 less than 5. So here this less than is nothing but one relational operator in Java. So that will be assigned to result. 5 is less than 5 is false. So true when the left operand is less than the right operand, but that is not happening here. Here both the operands are same. So that's why the result will get printed as false. So you can find that the result has got printed as false. Next one is result is equal to 5 less than equal to 5. Here less than equal to is one of the relational operators in Java. True when left operand is less or equal to the right operand. So we are printing the result and it is getting printed as true here. Next time you are using the greater than, that is a 10 greater than 5. So this greater than is one relational operator. True when the left operand is greater than the right operand. So now here the result is getting printed and you are finding that the result is getting printed as true. So we are getting this outcome here. Next one is greater than equal to. So 10 greater than equal to 5. So this condition is true. So result will be printed as true here. So the another relational operator, that is a not equal to. So 2 not equal to 2. True left operand and the right operand are not the same, but they are same here. So that's why the result will be assigned with the false and the result will get printed. So I'm getting the outcome as result is false. So in this way we have discussed different relational operators available in Java.